Everyone, once again welcome back to business communication class. My dear students, in a previous session we discussed about the types of communication. In that we are discussing methods of communication. So there, in the methods there are two. Those are verbal communication and non-verbal communication. So verbal communication again classified into four categories, that is oral communication, written communication, audio verbal communication, visual verbal communication. And the non-verbal communication is classified into three categories, that is audio non-verbal, visual non-verbal, audio visual non-verbal. So in simple words, audio means where we can hear, visual means where we can see. So audio verbal means only listening, and visual verbal means only we can see. So audio non-verbal means where audio non-verbal is non-verbal, without using any language, without using any writings. So visual non-verbal means here only we can see the picture, signs here, and slides with the background music, musical movies, action moments, etc. So these all we can use in a audio visual. Both audio is also there, we can see audible as well as visual. So that is audio visual non-verbal. So audio non-verbal, visual non-verbal, audio visual non-verbal, these things we discussed in a previous session. And now we will discuss the medias of communication. So what do you mean by the media of communication? How many medias are there? So what are those medias? We will discuss one by one in our today's session. Medias are the instruments or the devices to transmit the verbal as well as non-verbal communication. So medias can be broadly classified into three categories. Those are conventional medias, modern medias, and mass medias. So my dear students, so in our today's session we'll see these medias of communication one by one. So one has to use the medias. Only using medias we can communicate with each other very frequently and easily also. Media is a good friend to the, as well as it is very good for the people, those who want to communicate very frequently and those who want to communicate quickly. So what are those medias? We'll discuss one by one now. Conventional medias. What do you mean by this conventional medias, and what all medias it included? That we'll see. In conventional medias are face-to-face talks. Face-to-face talk means here it may take place between two persons or among small group or gathering of person, face-to-face. Okay, talking face to face, conventional media. The first one, conventional media, is face to face talk, and the next one is hand deliveries, courier services, postman. You can take an example. Written messages are distributed and in and around nearest places through personal delivery, postman, as well as courier service you can take. Okay, as well as nowadays online shopping we do, that is also home delivery is there. So hand deliveries, home deliveries. Okay, so the next one is mail. It undertakes the transportation and distribution of written messages, a speed post, inland letters, etc. Other forms of mail media. Email is different, this mail is different. The next one is courier services. As I said, mail, once again we'll go through the mail. Let us not to be in confusion. So okay, so mail, it is oldest media. This is not email. It is oldest media where postal department undertakes the transportation and distribution of written messages. Inland letters, registered post, speed post, etc. are the form of the mail media. Okay. And the next one is courier services. Here, the private concerns where their branches or network are available undertake the services of distribution of letters, envelopes, and packets, etc. to the addresses. So, you may heard about this courier service. You are very familiar with this courier services. Okay, now many private companies, this is mail is undertaken by the government, and courier services are done by the private concerns here. So, courier is sending products, items from one place to another place, from one person to another person. Next one is modern medias. What are the modern medias? Let us discuss these modern medias one by one. First one is telephone. You may heard about this telephone, but you are very familiar with mobiles now. Okay, everyone is very familiar with the mobile telephone. This is popular medium of oral communication. Earlier we used to use telephone, landline. This is adopted for direct communication when communicators are staying at distant places. Now there is no problem at all. Mobiles are there. This is known as landline. Telephones are known as landline. If the telephone system is used within the organization, it is called intercom. Okay, PCO, STD and ISD are other facilities of the telephone services. So here this is now wireless instrument is called as cordless telephones, which are used for limited areas of operations. We used to use earlier days, I think 15 years back, 10-15 years back, telephones were very familiar. Now mobiles are there, but telephones are very rare to see. So, but telephones are very useful those days. Nowadays also you can see in some offices telephone is very useful. They use telephone only. And the next one is voicemail. It is another development where voice of a caller, like his name, number and message, can be left with the receiver if he does not answer to the telephone call. This instrument is connected to the telephone or fax machine or computer earlier days, but nowadays, my dear friends, now you are also very familiar with this. In a mobiles also we can give a voice message. Okay, voicemail. It is called as voicemail, voice message. The next one is, this is very well known by all of us, all of you. What it is? Cell phones. So no need of explanation, only for you people. You are very familiar with this. Okay, so cell phones, these are known as mobiles. So directly connecting with a other person having mobile. So variety of services like sending SMSs, music, songs, news, internet. Nowadays classes also even you are getting you are learning your classes also through mobiles only. Okay, there are many advantages of mobiles nowadays. Next one is teleconference. So teleconferencing is people at different locations can see and hear each other. This is very helpful nowadays. Okay, during this pandemic situation, this is corona. During these days, through this teleconferencing, many people managing their meetings, their routine works, teleoffice works. So telecom people at different locations can see and hear each other. It is fully interactive, like face to face communication only. So they sit too far, but at a time they can discuss about the any matter, meeting they can hold through teleconferences. The next one is fax. Yes, the written message is put on the machine. Fax is like this, machine will be there. It is interconnected with the telephone only. It is connected to telephone network. Written messages, pictures, documents, etc. are sent from the sender to the receiver through the connectivity here. Okay, so fax is connected with the telephone. The next one is internet. So this is also very familiar to you people now. Everyone nowadays, including a first standard student. So it is the interconnected network of computers around the globe into one seamless network on internet. So via www messages, via www, here messages can be sent and at the same time received by the downloading. Nowadays through internet it is very useful for us. So through internet we are learning, we are taking our class, and the students are learning the classes. So my dear students, we discussed now which media? Conventional media. So conventional media and modern medias are over. Now what is the next one? What is the which media is there? Mass media. So mass media means what? Where here mass media is where the sender wants to send his message. He want to he want to share his views or interchange his ideas with the mass, with the many people at a time. He uses the mass media. So what are the mass medias? So let us discuss these mass medias one by one. First one is posters. So what posters? This is also known by you people. So it is short message with a big size font visible from two distance place, and which draw the attention of the passer by people. Posters are displayed on walls, cardboard sheets, metal sheets, etc. While going on the road you can see the advertisements on the roads. Here those are which are the posters. For example, in Belgium city you can take Bogarves, so where we can see many posters like advertisement posters we can see there. So what does it mean? They want to give a message to the mass people. It is not to the particular person, it is not to it is not to particular community. So they give a message to everyone, those who cross over there, those who goes through that road. They can see that and they can come to know that yes, this is by seeing that advertisement, yes, in this shop this material, this product is available, and by that they can visit that shop oftenly and they can purchase it. Okay, so here short messages with a big size font visible from the farther distance, drawing attention of passer by people. Nowadays LEDs, so Chennama circle you can see LEDs. Through that LEDs, electronic devices, they give advertisement there, and then while that is in circle, when we stop our vehicle in a circle, so we can have a glance over there. We can just see that LED and the LED TV which is there, which they can where we can see the advertisements of the different government activities. And the next one is, here you can see the example of the poster. And the next one is banners. Here banners are also just like same like that only. Banners also contains the message being written in big fonts, followed by pictures displayed in heavy traffics. This is, you can see the example of these banners. Okay. What is the meaning of these banners? So banners gives a message of, yes, L'Oreal. Here you can see the message. They just want to give a message. If it is new, okay, fine. If it is old also, that is also fine. So maybe old or new, it doesn't matter, but they just want to share their ideas. They just want to give the message to the others, to the people. And the next one is notice board. This is very familiar to you. This is our college notice board, my dear students. Okay, so notice board may what you people can see. Yes, notice boards are installed at appropriate locations within the organization to draw the attention of the employees on matter of common interest. So, which is installed at a appropriate locations. Notice boards are not located in any other like road and all. So, in a appropriate location within the organization. So, any notice regarding to the employees, regarding to the students in schools and colleges, regarding to students, they paste the notices, okay, which is related to students and which is related to employees. The next one is radio. So in a radio media, the message is being heard. It is one-way communication. Okay, it is very widely used media to broadcast news and songs. Okay, so message is being heard here. It is one-way communication. So radio media is very widely used, widely used media to broadcast the news, announcements, and songs. Okay, and the next one is television. This is very familiar to you. Okay, so it is a popular and powerful audio visual media of mass communication. So here there is no restriction for the media. This one, television, it is not like that only one can sit in front of the TV and only one can see. No, any number of people can sit in front of the TV and they can see. Okay, a single program or the news, any movie, many members, family members can sit together in front of TV and they can watch. Okay, so television is the most popular and powerful. So audio visual means audio, audible as well as visual. We can see and we can hear media of mass communication. It is one of the effective means of advertisements and also means of teleconferencing. So teleconferencing ka it is related and it is very useful in a business, and you can see the advertisement through the maximum advertisement we just watch it through the television, and we come to know about the product, new product, and we just about the market conditions and all, everything we come to know uh, because of this television only. And then this television is called as mass communication. So my dear students, what all are the mass communication? Okay, mass communications are posters, notice board, radio, television, and holdings. So even one more, generally we can say street announcement also you can take. Street announcement, and yes, street announcement is also one of the mass media only. For example, while this election and all, okay, street announcements, some important announcements with the help of the speaker being conveyed to the general public through the mobile vehicle, small vehicle. So like sometimes government announcements like warnings, availability of facilities, like sometimes municipality corporation ka announcement for every that yearly water bill, current bill, water bill, like this. These all announcement through the street, like through street announcement only they do. Okay, so that is one also. mass media. So, my dear students, I hope you understand medias of communication: conventional media, mass media, and which media? Modern media. So, conventional medias, modern medias, and mass medias. These are the form of communication. These also can be used in the communication. Okay. So, I hope you understand this. Thank you. Have a good day.